Rachel balanced her coffee and laptop, stepping into the elevator just as it closed. Inside, she hit the wrong floor button, muttering, "Of course, today of all days." The elevator stopped, and a man outside waved. "Wait, you dropped this," he called. Rachel realized her favorite pen had fallen, smiling as he handed it back. "Thank you." They chatted, discovering they worked in the same building on different floors. He joked, "We had time to meet because of the wrong button." "Lucky mistake." As Rachel reached her floor, he said, "Let's grab coffee one day." She blushed and nodded. StoryTellerGM. Sometimes pressing the wrong button leads to the right connection.